Hello. I will start to share the walkthrough my project. Basically, I made a chat box for mobile application. So in this case, we have a iPhone 14 Pro. We set the full name here. If we set an empty value, we have some validations. Okay, I will set my name, joining. When we join to here. Uh, Appear the already list of message up in the history. So I will make the same with other. I have already other user with the Android device, so it's cross-platform app. So if someone is typing like hola, appear a loading state here. So when I send a message, receive from this user, and when hi, how are you? The same happen with the other user. When it's typing, appear typing, and when send a message, the other user receive the message. So yeah, this is like the functionality of the application. The status appear connected or disconnected depending the internal status. We have the typing, we have two screens, one to set the name with some validations, and the other to uh, make the chat with other people. So it's cross-platform, and that's the application working. Uh, we have like the two process of mobile and the process related with the backend. So we will make our walk through to the call. First, we have the backend. In the backend, we have um, like we are using Socket.io library to make real-time changes to send message and all the events. So when we make a socket on join, we uh, we set some store user information. We send the list of previous mention, basically the history of message to the client who joined. And yes, we have different events like what I already said, join, when we send a message, when it's disconnected to show the red indicator, when someone is typing to show all the others that it's typing. And yes, this is just like a health to check the backend. So that's the workflow related with backend. In terms of front end, we have two screens. First, the name input screen, where basically we have React Native components, and we have a handle submit event where once the user click to send the full name, we make some validations like I showed previously. And yes, that we make some regex and some length validations. If that works, we should go to the other view. The other view is the chat view. Here we use the same library, basically IO, socket IO, in the client, and we make this. We listen or emit the same events. Like we have on connect, on disconnect to show green or red bullet, messages to receive all the messages, to put the history, message to send a message, or I don't know, when we receive a new message, and when the user is typing. So yeah, we emit or receive events of other users, and based on that, we make all the logic. So yeah, that's the walk through the entire application.